10th of May, 2023. Sydney Grace Leapfrog, Ripple Effect, Ocean View, Birthday Girl Multichrome Eyeshadows Sydney Grace Leapfrog Multichrome Eyeshadow had a more translucent, grayish base with multichrome shimmer that shifted from warmer, more chartreuse green to cooler minty green to pale bluish green paired with a metallic. The shift was subtler, which was reflected in the price. Opaque color payoff moderately dense. Softened after first use, applied evenly and smoothly to bare skin with flat brush or fingertip. Long wearing Sydney Grace Ripple Effect Multichrome Eyeshadow, $15.